Hi viewers, now I'm gonna tell you about how to install Windows 10 OS from a pen drive. It's very simple. Just insert your pen drive into a desktop or laptop, then switch on it or power on it. Then you have to press continuously F12 or F8 button until boot on menu show on your screen. Continuously press it F12 or some cases in some computer F8 button for startup settings open. உங்களுக்கு அம்மா யூடியூப் சேனல் பயனுள்ள வகையில் இருந்ததுன்னா கீழே தெரியுற ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கூடவே ஒரு பெல் சிம்பிள் வரும், அதையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்பதான் எங்களுடைய அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக வந்து சேரும். So now I can see the startup settings. By using up and down arrow mark, you can choose your boot jet flash transcend I am using. So you can choose your pen drive, and here you have to select your language by using the same arrow key. So I have chose here the English language. Then here you have to click the next button. You can use mouse here. Then here you can have two options. One is install now option and another one is repair your computer. If you have minor problem, mean you just click the repair your computer, or it's major mean, or you have want to change the OS mean, you just click the install button. Then it will show you like this. The copying option will started. It's getting ready the files to install, and the installing features, installing updates, all will come up to 100%, and you can get a green color tick mark. Then it's going to show you the partition where you have to install the OS. So here you may find one problem while installing Windows 10, that is you are not able to delete your partition. In such a cases the problem may arrive. So if you find this problem in, you can follow my instruction. It's also very simple. So if you are not able to delete or format these partitions, mean you just have to convert your disk into another format. See here, Windows can't installed and drive. So what you have to do, it's very simple. You have to press F10 button in your keyboard. Then it will show you like disk port, where you can have to type list disk. Then you have to type select disk. Then you can select 0 or 1 disk, any one disk. Then select enter. Then you have to type clean and enter. Now the old disk is going to be clean. Here one thing very important, before doing this step you have to copy all the important file from your computer, or else you can't get any single file. So after this you have to convert it into GPT format. So type convert GPT and click enter. Last you have to type exit, then enter out or close the table column. Now here you can going to have the same, but here you have to click refresh button. If you click the refresh button, then you can get only one partition. And remember this, you have to copy all the files before install this, or else there is no files in this. Everything will be deleted. Mind this point. Now we can get only one space allocated. So here you can create or allocate many partitions like this. Click new button and enter the format size as you want. Unclick apply button. You can enter the value in MB size. So for example, I type like 7000 MB and click apply button, then I can get another one partition. So likewise you can create here, or after installation also you can create partition, it's not a matter. So after this you can see like the pop-up window. Now the installation is going in process. So after the process you can see your window like this. Many times it will be restarted. So what you have to do, you just wait and keep calm and watch. Don't do anything, don't touch any key button. So you just wait until it come to finish. So I already told you, if you want to convert the format into GPT, before that you have to copy all the files, photos, videos and anything in your computer. You have to copy all the things in another pen drive or hard disk. Otherwise, once you converted, you can't get anything. Okay. So in such a cases, this problem is arrived. Now almost the installation process is going to be end. Now your system is getting ready to use. So it shows a message to me, just a moment, and the balls are rotating like this. So we have to keep calm. It may take several minutes. Be patient. By your curiosity, don't do anything, or don't hit close or shut down, and don't do anything like this. You just keep calm and take a snacks or coffee and sip it. Then we have to select here our region. Wherever you are, you can select your region. For example, here I select United States, say yes, and just a moment it will show you what kind of a keyboard layout you want. So I select English, then click yes button, and second keyboard if you want, you can just click add layout or skip it. So if you have Wi-Fi or a net connection, you can connect here. If you don't have, no matter, you just click I don't have internet option. So here the internet connection facilities are shown in front of you. So you can select the button continue the installation. Here write your name. It will show you every time start up the computer. So here you can set your password also. If you want, set your password, or else you just skip it. So you want to know more about you just click yes, or you just click no button. So if you want any help from digital assistant, you just click accept button or else decline button. So privacy settings, just click accept button. Now almost 99% of installation is done. So here also you have to wait 1 or 2 minutes. After the installation, you can see a new monitor screen. So here you can set your desktop icon by just right click and personalization settings, and click themes setting. Here you can have many new features. In these features you have to scroll down and click desktop icon settings. Here you can have many desktop icons. So whatever you want, just click it, and see the down area. Here you can have apply and OK button. So you just click the apply button and OK button. Now you can get all the desktop icons on your desktop. So that's all, viewers. I will meet you in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.